You tell them boys from Orlando.
Yeah.
We got the fastest motor car in a fucking Atlanta. Slow riding.
Right. Talking about that Camaro.
Tell them about that.
Let's go over here and look at it, man. Take me over there, man. Oh, he in trouble?
Yeah, we gonna fuck him up. Fuck him up.
Oh, man, he in trouble. Let me see. This one right here? What? It got that intake. Y'all already got that intake? Oh yeah. Oh shit, man. Hold on now, y'all. That's the baddest motor car, man. God, the baddest motor car, 6 gen. Got the race stars on the front. Motor on the motor. All y'all from Atlanta, they'll run all y'all cars. On the motor. What y'all done did to Atlanta? Somebody speak up. Oh, it's sweet down there? You can just go down there and clean up. Oh, man. So y'all make me want to go. What? Hey, what year is this, man?
What year is this?
17? Motor power, yeah. So you like the small block or big block? Whatever that is. Little 6'2", stock bore space. All motor. Well, you got that intake though, right? Yeah, he got that intake, y'all. It got a cam in it.
Don't worry about what we got.
Yeah, hey, y'all, don't worry. All they got is motor. That's all you need to know. Motor.
Where at?
Yeah.
And tell me we coming all over now. Yeah, we gonna knock you the fuck out.
They knocking people the fuck out, man. All that laughing and giggling, man. They knock your ass out, Alex. Hey, man. He said set them a date, y'all. They ready right now, man. Yeah.
Drop your number on that live feed right there. We can come on.
Yeah, he said tomorrow Sunday, man. Send y'all number. Okay.
They'll leave tonight.
Oh, cause they'll leave tonight. All y'all gotta do is drop y'all number. I'm gonna give your number to them. They gonna call you and meet right up with you. Get on your ass. For whatever. Georgia, the whole Georgia in trouble? Oh shit, the whole Georgia. It ain't just Atlanta, y'all.
Yes, mid-range.
Damn.
Savannah. Everywhere.
Damn. They got a tuner too? Oh man, don't let them put that tuner in there.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Man.
Look at this.
Bro. He got out the... Oh, y'all. He done got off the gas too soon. Thought he won, y'all. Oh, no. He can't get off the gas, y'all. What happened, man?
What the hell you thought your flashes for?
He thought he won. Man, say y'all, he got off the gas too soon. That other car came rushing around him. Yeah.
We got the fastest motor car in a fucking Atlanta. Slow riding.
Right.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.